Hoorayhr HR tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up and use Hoorayhr HR to manage HR tasks like employee records, time tracking, leave management, and team collaboration. And in case you're wondering what is Hoorayhr HR, Hoorayhr HR is a user-friendly HR management software designed for small businesses, startups, and remote teams. Some standout features include you'll be able to track employee absence and leave requests, manage time tracking and work hours, organize employee records and documents, and automate approval workflows. To get started is completely free. All you'll need is a business email address. So you're going to tap on try it for free, and from there you can sign up. Once you have signed up, there are some questions that you can fill in. How many hours is a default work day? You can fill in that, and you can fill in your default work week, as you can do right here. Then after doing that, you can just tap on next. So we can do that real quick. So we'll be redirected to the dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you could add in your colleague's name, or you can tap on skip for now. Then you'll tap on let's go. So this is your Hoorayhr HR dashboard. Once on the dashboard, what I want you to do next, you're going to go over to the top right hand corner and you're going to tap on your profile icon. After you have tapped on your profile icon, from there I want you to tap on company settings. Once you have tapped on company settings, what I want you to do next, from here you can scroll down and you could edit the default time, as you can see right there if you haven't done that as yet. You can also add in travel allowance if you offer that, so you can set that up right there. After you have set it up and you have added your employees, and by the way, to add employees, you would go over to the left hand menu option and you could tap on colleagues. So you could tap on colleagues right here. After you have tapped on colleagues, you can tap on add colleague, and from there you could fill in the colleague name, email address, and also their job role and department. After you have done that, so let's say I were to add a sample colleague, so I'll tap right there. You could fill in their first name. So I'll just call it Tess. So I'll fill in his first and last name, email address, as you can see right there. Once you're finished doing that, as you can see there, you will tap on add colleagues. Once you have added your colleagues, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you can tap on dashboard. The next thing I'm going to be showing you to do is managing leave requests. To activate leave requests, you can go over to the left hand column and you're going to tap right where you see the airplane and you're going to tap on that. After you have tapped on that, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, all you'll need to do now, right where you see request leave, you can tap right there. After you have tapped on request leave, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you can choose the colleague name. After you have chosen the colleague name, you can tap right where you see holiday and you can see the time available and time off in lieu. You can select that right there, so you can select holiday, and you can also scroll down and you could add a label for what they're taking it for, as you can see right there what they're taking the holiday for. So let's say for example, we'll just tap on holiday. After you have done that, you can see right there whether it is for a few hours, entire day, or more than a day. You can select whichever one of these options. So let's say they are given a day off every week. You can also set it as recurring by tapping on recurring right there, whether it be every week, every 2 weeks, or so on, or you can select till end of date. So you can select whichever one of those options. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on request right there. So that's how you'll be able to submit a leave request, as you can see right there. After you have done that, all you need to do now, you can start setting up your time tracking and work hours. Hoorayhr HR allows employees to track work hours for payroll and productivity monitoring. To do this, you're going to need to click on the time tracking from the left hand menu option. So you're going to click on time right here. After you have clicked on time, from there you'll be able to add hours, so you can add in your time entry. So you'll tap right here. After you have done that, from there you can choose the employee and you can choose way of compensation. So you can choose payout or time on lieu. Then you can select the labels right there, so whether it is hours or overtime. After you have done that, you can select from which date, as you can see right there. So you can fill in the time right here. After you have filled in the time, you could add in description if you want. Then you're just going to tap on save, as you can see right there. And also, if you would like to set up sick leave or anything like that, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you could tap on sick leave. And then from there, you can add in your sick leave, as you can see right there. So this is a complete platform that you can add in sick leave and all different type of leaves and time monitoring. And you can tap on employments, and from here you'll be able to see all of the employees. You can also set up different contracts for your employees, as you can see right there. You can set up employment terms. You can also set up a schedule for your employees, as you can see right there. So you'll be able to access numerous features. You can also tap on expense claim from the left hand menu option, and from here you can add expense claim, as you can see right there. And if we were to tap on company assets, from here you'll be able to set up the different company assets by tapping on add assets. Another feature that you can also do with Hoorayhr, you'll be able to upload documents. So by tapping on documents, from here we can go over to the right hand menu option, and then from there you can tap on actions and you could upload a document if you want. So you can see you can put the documents under different categories: assets, contracts, IDs, NDAs, pay slips, or so on. You can add them right there. So you can add the different pay slip templates and so on. So overall, this is one of the best HR platforms for a small business. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative on how to use Hoorayhr.